In this video, I will show you how to delete a published game on Roblox. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to roblox.com, click on create, and then you want to click onto edit next to one of your experiences to load up Roblox Studio. So once you're in Roblox Studio, what you want to do is the game you've got loaded up, you just want to cross this off. So you want to click the cross next to your game, and then just go ahead and discard the changes or save, doesn't really matter, to take you to the home page for Roblox Studio. So from here, you want to make sure you're on My Games. So if you come over to the left hand side and click onto My Games, this is going to bring up all your games available. Next, you want to hover over the game you want to delete, and you'll see these three dots. So you want to click on that to bring up a menu, and then from here you want to click onto Archive. Go ahead and click Yes to archive this game. And what that's going to do at the moment, I mean, there's no full way to delete a game, but this will archive it so it's not available and it goes private, so it won't be published on any of the Roblox servers. And if you do want to access any of your archive games, just go ahead and click onto archive and you'll see all your archive games down here. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you dropped a like on the video, and make sure you do subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest tips, tricks and tutorials for everything tech and digital related. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.